Okay, so absolutely horrible angle. Sorry. Finally got my fetal Doppler. About time. It took them over a week because the stupid postal service lost it. So irritating. So I'm opening it up. The box is identical to my old one. When I bought my first Doppler, it was $75. 75 bucks. This was 30. I was like, really? So inside the box, it's fetal. It's just the 3MHZ one. Oh, it's lots more compact though. So what's inside of it. So this is just the user manual, which you should read if you've never had one. It's easy to read though. It's easy to figure out. And then they give you this tiny little tube of ultrasound gel, which is just basically aloe vera gel. That's what I use, aloe vera gel, because this is gone in about 4 uses. And I use a lot of gel because it just makes it easier. I have to keep pulling it out and going back and yeah. I just use aloe vera gel. Some people even use lotion, but I go to Walmart and get aloe vera gel and use that. And then I have in here, I'll just pull it out so nothing drops. So this is going to be your probe. This is what you put on your stomach to hear your baby. Oh, batteries are not inside of it right now. Hey, baby, batteries. Now, mind you, the one I have, I've never had to replace the batteries. And I bought it 4 years ago. So, this is your Doppler. It looks, actually, I think it may be a little smaller than mine. I'll do a comparison video tonight. So here's the Doppler. And I need to put the batteries in here. Which I'll do that later for you. Go ahead, turn it for you now. And then this is my Doppler. And so they're just in, you don't have to keep putting it in the plastic. You can set it back in your box just fine. The box comes with a nice, it's got a nice little foam thing to keep this in. So let me break open, if I can do it. Because of course when you videotape, everything has to go wrong. Yeah, my daughter just finally fell asleep and she swears we're having a girl. She's not having a brother, she's having a sister. So, okay. Let's put these stinkers in. Simple, easy. If I can do it, you can do it. Put them in, clip. And then you're going to have your, I don't know what to call this thing. Your male, female, and you just push it in. And so that's in. And so it's going to be loud, so bear with me. Oh, I'm so quiet. It's not going to find the baby until I put, I take my clothes off and put, the gel. It won't find the baby without the gel. It can't. On dry skin, for whatever reason, the sound waves can't get through. It has to be really well lubricated. So tonight I'll do it. And it's also set so it could just sit like this. So yeah, so that's my new Sonoline B fetal Doppler and 3 megahertz. That's the box. My other box, I think this, I don't know, the boxes feel identical, but the thing was smaller. And it has, I'll show you the way it's insulated. But I think this one, they want you to take this off every time because the way it's in here, it doesn't, there's no room for the wire to come out. Sorry, it's awkward. There's no room for the wire to come out. So what I'm just going to do is put this back in, and then I'm going to put the user guide under, because I always keep the user guides with it even though I don't need them. I put the user guide under it, and then I'm just going to loosely, everything will go wrong. Loosely wrap this and just stick it. And so it just fits in. And I picked pink because I don't think I even cared what color it was. I don't remember if I even had a choice. But there's my Doppler, and it doesn't really move too much. So tonight I'll make a comparison video for you guys of the new one versus the one that's about 4 years old. And then after that I will try to make a video on me using it because I found him. I say him because I think it's a boy. We'll find out in like 3 weeks. Right? Yeah, 3-4 weeks I'll find out what it is. So, yeah, thank you for watching, guys.